Jai Hind everyone. Today the topic of my lecturate is India-Myanmar relations. The relations between both the countries started in the year 1948 when Myanmar got independence. Now, the border between both the countries is of around 1600 kilometers. However, the border is long, but this border is porous and has been remained a constant headache for India because of the unauthorized immigrants, refugees, and also because of the smuggling of drugs and illegal weapons. Now, however, to counter this, we have installed thousands of kilometers of barbed wires as well as the floodlights. We have also started using the better surveillance systems, which includes the various radar systems as well as the laser light systems. Now, if we talk about the relations between both the countries, I have divided the group into three parts. First is the economy and trade, second is the defense sector, and third is the socio-cultural ties. Now, coming to the first point, so economy and trade is huge between both the countries as both the countries are part of the South Asian Free Trade Agreement. Now, due to this agreement, the trade between both the countries has arisen to the billions of economy, and also India is the largest trading partner to the Myanmar. Now, coming to the second point, which is the defense sector. So both the countries do various military exercises together. Like recently, Myanmar and India both were part of the Milan exercise. Now, coming to the third point, which is the socio-cultural ties. So we all know that Myanmar has been a part of India long ago. So because of this, both the countries share same linguistic as well as the cultural ties. Now, India has always helped Myanmar, whether it is the time of the cyclone during the 2017 or whether it is the time of the COVID era. Now, we have also funded it during the making of the Sitwe port, and we have also given around $500 billion of line of credit to Myanmar around the 2020 or 2022 years. Now, on concluding my point, I would like to say that Myanmar is the gateway to the Southeast Asia, and it is one of the country with the help of which we can counter the dominance of China. Thank you.
Okay. Speak more.
Yes.
30 seconds more. Okay.